Hey YouTube, it's Andrew here, Terry Family Adventures. We're just we're sitting at work here, and I just so happen to have decided today, right, I got done working on Christmas Eve, but it's Christmas Day now, and figured I'd kind of let you guys get a little sneak peek at a toy I ended up buying, and I think you guys end up liking it. I think it's really cool, but I'm gonna give you just a little peek at it before I actually go and show you it completely. It is brand new, and I'll be doing a review on it shortly, and you guys will eventually get to see what that's about. So let's hop into it.
Terry Family Adventures.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, here's a little sneak peek at it. And in the meantime, we're gonna run over here and we're gonna be grabbing our bags and taking out our garbage. And so in the meantime, while I get all that into my car here, we'll be getting you guys updated on what specifically I did. Unfortunately, I left my mount at home, so I won't be able to do exactly what I wanted to, but we're going to try and get you some good clips, and worst case scenario, I just end up it'll be a little brighter out when I film what I initially was going to film. So, or I might just wait till tomorrow night to film it, who knows. But that's where we're at. I'm going to get my bags in my car, get everything going. We'll get you one more little sneak peek at the little preview before we dive into it. So stay tuned, YouTube. And I know I can see myself in the glasses. It's a little bit weird for me too, but ignore the red dots. Those are just snipers. And yes, we have our Ask Your Mom If I'm Real Santa ugly sweater in spirit of Christmas. 456 miles on this. And there's the gauge cluster. And there's a quick little jab to 5K for you. We'll be filming a quick little segment for the introduction for the Terry Family Adventure with Andrew. And we're going to be based a little bit more on-road. We got big things planned for the future, and we got a bunch of plans set, and this car will definitely be seeing a good chunk more miles on it, and we're going to be doing some fun Hoonigan stuff. So, not related directly to Hoonigan, not even a paid promotion, just using the word. But that's the gauge right there. I guess that's the second tip I'll give you. But until then, we'll wait to give you some more in terms of actual content with said vehicle. And because this is going to be just a short little update for middle of the week, let's drop down in the comments what you think that this car may be or may not be. All answers are accepted. Wrong, right, don't matter to me. We'll figure it out. Until then, YouTube, I'm going to sign off, and I'm going to get cracking down on this gorgeous thing.